Wireless portable andragogy device for bronchogenic carcinoma patients. This project is completely based upon helping the persons who are suffering from bronchogenic diseases like lung cancer. Lung cancer patients may suffer and they are unable to breathe as like a normal person. Their breathing rate may range from 6 to 7. By using our device, by using this airflow sensor, we will improve the breathing count of the patient from 6 to 7 to 12 to 16. And this will help to improve the patient's health, and this will also helps to improve the self-management and enhancing the communication with the healthcare providers. So, in our project, we are using a transformer and with a normal power supply of 230 volt, and this transformer converts the normal 230 volt AC to 15 volt to 5 volt DC current, and this gives the input to the bridge rectifier which converts the 15 volt AC to DC current, and this gives the input to this node MCU. This node MCU plays a major role in giving the input and programming the airflow sensor using some embedded C language codes. We are programmed and included embedded C language program into this node MCU, through which the airflow sensor may induce and gives airflow in the way of 2 valves which is present in this airflow sensor. And in this node MCU will take the input from the patients, and this will identify whether the patient's breathing count is less than 6. If it is less than 6, it will give a notification and it will give a buzzer sound if it is less, and that time it will give the airflow through this airflow sensor so that the patient can be able to breathe as like the normal person. And additionally, through this LCD display, we can able to see a visual feedback of the patient who are else in the correct breathing condition. So this is our overall project, and this will improve the patient's self-management, and it will additionally enhance the communication with the healthcare providers, and it is a user-friendly and it will help the healthcare providers to use for the normal patient in the hospitals. Thank you.